Hey, what up? It's your boy Chris Colgan. Got the Jordan 1 University Blues. You've already seen these things. People have done reviews. You know, you've seen them walking around. They've been like, oh my God, these look cool. And, you know, back in the day, these Jordan 1 retros, I'm not going to do that. I am all about the money because cash is king. Let's just get right into it. Real quick before I do that, like and subscribe. Jump on my Instagram because we all know the girls love the gram. It's all about the gram at Chris Colgan. Let's just jump right into these things. Dropping March 6th, coming up next Saturday. I don't even know, whatever day you watch this video. Retail price about $180. Here is how you get these bad boys if you have not gotten them yet, like your boy, the Prince, Harry, Prince Charles. I'm probably above them at this point. I'd knock Queen Elizabeth right off her freaking throne because I am the king of sneakers. Right now, I've had these for a while. You've known that. You know your boys had it. Here's how the only way you're going to get these. They're not going to be like the Mochas where they're going to be 200-some thousand pairs. COVID ruined all that. You're going to either have to get very, very lucky. If you smash the like button, that happens, and get it on sneakers, which you know, and I know, it ain't happening. If you go on my Instagram, I joke about it all the time. It's the most miserable experience ever. Here's how you can get them. Either A, you're going to have to register for some of these foot sites, get the points up, and get like an early access cop. The Nike actually just did one already on the sneakers app. Or you're going to have to hire a botter. Don't ask me. I'm not a computer programmer. Couldn't figure that thing out. Honestly, that is the only way you're going to get these things retail. Or your grandfather is Phil Knight at Nike and he actually sells them to you at retail. It's not going to happen. These things, when I first got them, they were around unboxed about 700. Then they slowly, this was about 2 months ago, got to about 500, and they have stuck around 500 to 525. And typically when the release day gets close like it is right now, and you're gonna be able to use this information in the future anyways, because this is just my investment advice on it. These things, since we're close to the release date, they've steadied fast around like $500. Your best thing is gonna be to get the smaller pairs. I would say sizes 7 to 9 in men's. Those are gonna be the most valuable because a lot of people are gonna go for the 10, 11, 12. That's what typically they make the most of. If you're thinking, hey, I wanna get them in a quick flip, if you get them at retail and you are so freaking lucky, or even if you get them at retail and you pay a botter a pass fee of like $75 and you're like at 250, 260 into them, I would definitely immediately flip them and make a quick $200. Throw them on eBay, who like has no selling fees right now. I think if your sneaker is above $100, that is going to be your best bet if you hit them retail. Otherwise, if you're a long-term investor, you've seen the Mochas, they've climbed up to like 500. These are going to be way more popular than them already. I know that, especially with girls have been all over these and guys have been all over them too. With the University Blue, the UNC colorway is hot. Even though Nike's pushed that a lot this year. I think if you're looking at long-term investment, definitely get these bad boys. They're definitely be good to just hold on to, but I'm like more about making quick cash when it comes to sneakers because you never know if Nike does another re-release, they push them on foot sites again. So definitely like they are, I think eventually they'll get up to like 600, 700 once they start getting out there a year from now. But definitely buy these bad boys if you can, do not. And we all know Jordan 1s are definitely the best investments out there possible. We did a little quick B-roll video for you guys. Check that out. Let me know what you think. You saw the amazing footage my boy Bobby shoots. He's kind of like weird looking, honestly, so that's why I don't put him on camera. He's not like, you know, like, I don't want to say it. Yeah, I'll do that real quick. All right. You just saw the amazing footage my boy Bobby does. Actually, a couple people asked me, how do I do that on my cell phone? Trust me, he does it. He's kind of a weird dude. I don't put him on camera. I'm never going to show his face. Yeah, dude, get your freaking thumb out of my there. So, follow me on Instagram at Chris Colgan. I really appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all the love. We've blown this channel up really quickly. They say it takes about a year to do what we've done. We've done it in like 30 to 45 days. It's because of you guys. And you know me, I show you straightforward. I've already cussed everybody out. I've called people out. I've done it all. My mom's busted in on me on these videos. I don't care. Buy these things. See you at the top or from the top. And if you want to make money, you want to learn how to make money, you want to sell shoes, follow me. If you just want to like mess around and play video games and like just sit in your basement forever, don't follow me. Please. Just like if you're into making money, getting shit done, wearing nice shoes, getting the girls, follow me. You want to be a loser? Don't. Please don't. I need like cool vibes around me. Peace, bitches. I'm out. I'm gonna go put these bad boys on.